Hi Draw So Cuties! Today we're going to draw Rose from BlackPink. So let's get started. To draw Rose, we're going to start by drawing the bottom of her face. So I'm going to come here and just basically draw the bottom of a U. Nice and round. All the way across. So as you notice, it's kind of shallow than usual. I make it a little bit higher. And the reason is because she has hair that's kind of covering one side. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and make this U a lot deeper. So because I can't do that when I'm using a Sharpie, I'm just going to go on this side first. I'll bring this side up first. And then from there, I'm just going to imagine it kind of like an oval for her face. So about right here, I'll just give myself a point. About right there is where her hair is going to part. And from there, I'm just going to bring a curve down just to connect back to here. And then on this side where her hair parts, we're going to start and bring a curve all the way back down to this point. So right here, just go up, like her forehead area, and all the way down. So we're going to kind of like this, but just in a little bit more for her hair. So a little bit narrower, so we're going to come all the way here. And as you come down here, you can wave it a little bit and bring it out. There. Okay, so we basically have her face in kind of like an oval. And then from there, we can bring her to life with some Draw So Cute eyes. So in this area right here, I'm going to start and draw a circle. So it's going to be partial circle. I'll start about right here. It's kind of being blocked by her hair. There, I got one. And then I'm going to go to the other side. Once again, to the edge, towards the edge. There. Okay, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm still going to come in here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Okay, so now that we have her eyes in, let's come out here and we're just going to give her some lashes. Some nice, long, beautiful lashes. I'll stop at 2. And same thing on this side, so right here. Flare them out, nice and long. Okay, and then from there I'm going to come up about right here and add her brows. Just a soft curve right above her eye. So about right here. And bring it down. Okay, so then let's come in here and give her a sweet smile right in the center. And cap it off. There, so we have her face in. Let's see here. Here, this eye is a little bit, let me fix this eye. It looks a little bit smaller. Okay, there. Now we can go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm going to come in this area right here and just extend this curve out. And then right here where we started, about right here is where her hair is going to part. So we're just going to draw a slight angle line. And about right here, I'm going to come up about this high. And from there, I'm going to go up and down. So I can add a little line there. So from there, I'm going to go up over here. Top of her head. Just bring in the curve all the way down. Just slowly build it. And then on this side, come down. Get a slight curve if you want. so bring this down a little bit more. And then from there, I'm going to come in here with some details. So right here where we started, I'm just going to bring up a little curve and taper it in, just to give some details to her hair. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her body. So we're going to come in the center right here and give her a little neck on both sides. And let's bring her shoulders down. So she has bare shoulders and come down. I love this cute little dress that she's wearing. Shoulders on both sides. So then let's imagine her armpits are going to be about right here on both sides. And I'm going to bring a slight angle line down. So before I bring this down, I'm going to go ahead and connect it right here for her dress. There. And then from there, I'm going to bring this line down. So I'm giving her a slight waist. So it's just kind of a curve out. I felt this dress really needed a little curve in. So just bring this all the way down to about, see right there, and I'll stop. And then let's come back up here for her sleeves. So I'm going to continue this curve and bring it down right here. So about right here, just add a little curve. Then you can bring her shoulder in. So this is going to be her ruffle sleeve. So I'm going to come out here, just add a little ruffle. So curve and just wave it back in. And then there's another layer that you can tuck in there. And for some details, I'll do that later because I don't want to mess it up with this thick Sharpie. So same thing on this side. So let's bring a little curve. And then once again, ruffle it out. So right there. And another layer. And you can finish off her shoulders. Okay, so then from there, let's start to connect her dress. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it once again with a curve. And now I'm going to ruffle it out. So right here, I'm going to add a little poof for this cute white little dress that she's wearing. It was the hardest thing trying to figure out what to have her wear. So I was searching social media, desperately looking for something. And then when I saw this white dress, I just had to draw it for you. So come in here and just add some curves all the way across. So hopefully I picked the right dress for her. Okay, so then from there, let's finish her arms. So I'm just having it come behind her, just tuck behind. So imagine this going through. So about right here, it's going to come out, her elbow, and bend it in. So nice and simple for the arms. So same thing here. About right there, bend it and tuck it in. There. Okay, so then now her legs, long, gorgeous legs. So right in the center, I'm going to add 2 angle lines. And right here. Okay, so then I'm going to bring them all the way down. And so I'm going to make them thinner as I go down. There's bare legs. Okay, so then about there, I'm going to start to flare it out slightly for her pumps. And connect it. There. So same thing over here. And connect. So then I'm just going to give her a very simple little pump right there for her heels. And so then let's finish off her gorgeous hair. So let's bring this wave a little bit And then let's just curve this all the way back and just tuck it in. So same thing on this side. All the way down. For gorgeous long hair. Okay, so then now let's go in here. I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie just so I don't muddle it up with the details inside her dress. So I'm going to come here with the first layer right here on the top. I'm just going to add another curve. And same thing right here on the top of the sleeve. Oops. So in the center right here, I'm going to add 2 lines where the buttons are. So right here, I'm just going to go straight down, right in the center. And I'm going to continue this line all the way down. And then in here, you can add some circles for buttons. And I think I'm going to leave that empty. I forgot if there's one down here or not. But then I'm going to lightly add 2 curves right here, just for the seams in this dress. So I'm just following the outside line very lightly. And in here you can add some crease lines. And same thing over here. So nice poofy little skirt. And let's see here, am I missing anything? And oh, of course, right? Because she is my Rose from BlackPink. I'm going to come in here and add a little heart. I just had to. Okay, so that's my version of Rose from BlackPink. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.